Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to build passive income easily using ChatGPT in 1 minute without any skills. So the idea is about creating an API and sell it. All you have to do is asking ChatGPT to create API for you. Here I asked for an API.NET. So what we'll do is copy the code, go to Visual Studio, create new .NET project, add new controller and paste your code. Paste your code here. And here you have your API ready. You can try it. Good. So to sell your API, there are many platforms like Rapid API. A Rapid API, which is a platform that allows developers to discover, test, and connect the API to APIs. A Rapid API provides free plan that allows you to host your own API and make it available to other developers.